1,000 subscribers. Congratulations to us. We just hit our 1,000 subscriber on this channel. In this video, I'm going to share you everything the YouTube growth tips I use to accumulate my 1,000 subscriber. If you're a small YouTuber and you are looking to get your 1,000 subscriber, this video is for you. I want you to hold on this video, watch it from the beginning till the end so that you don't miss any part of this video. You know what used to frustrate me the most about YouTube? Spending hours editing a video, posting it, and you are refreshing your YouTube studio like every 5 minutes, and then you are seeing something like 7 views, 3 views. Meanwhile, someone upload a simple video talking casually and somehow get thousands of views overnight. I genuinely thought that the algorithm hated me before, until I changed a few things that completely shifted my whole channel. Some of these mistakes were painfully obvious after I noticed them. So if your channel feels stuck, your videos are barely getting impressions, you are not getting the views, you are not getting the subscriber, or you are starting to wonder if YouTube growth is even possible anymore, then this video might genuinely help you avoid waste of months like I did. And trust me, the number 5 secrets I will tell you is something almost nobody talks about properly. So you have to watch this video till the end. That is, if you want to get the last tips that help me get this subscriber. Now let's dive into it. So when I first started YouTube, I was uploading videos I personally liked on my other channel until I opened this particular channel, but not necessarily videos people were actually searching for, and that sounds obvious now, but when you are a small creator, you usually think if my content is good, YouTube will automatically push it. Yeah, that is not how YouTube works. I remember uploading videos earlier on this channel. That video, I spent like 2 days editing that video on my phone using CapCut. And guess what? After uploading that video, YouTube barely showed them to anybody. And honestly, that messes with my confidence, my mental state. At that time, I started questioning myself. Am I boring? Is it that YouTube doesn't favor me? Is it that I have a bad luck? Is it that my voice is bad? Maybe YouTube is too saturated. But after studying my channel deeply, I realized something important. That was when I had to make this my viral video. Yes, YouTube is not just about making videos. It is about making videos people are already looking for. And that changed everything for me. So now I'm going to tell you the first thing I did and what you have to do if you want to start getting your first 1,000 subscriber on your channel. The first thing I did was making videos around what people are actually searching for. Yes, this particular strategy right here honestly changed my channel the fastest way it could. I stopped making videos based on only what I wanted to post and started making videos around searchable topics. I started posting things people were actively typing into the YouTube search, like how to upload videos for more views, why your YouTube videos get no views, how to grow a small YouTube channel. Now, did you notice the difference? One is emotional, the other one solves a problem. Now, if you are a small channel and you are not doing a video that actually solves people's problem, no one will even try to click on your video, because everybody here come on this YouTube for 1 or 2 problems, and once they got that problem, you gave them what they want, you solve their problem, they're gonna subscribe to your channel and even come back to watch your video. Even as a beginner on YouTube, they are constantly searching for solutions. That is why searchable content works so well for small channels. And small channels are ignoring this strategy, especially if YouTube still doesn't fully trust your channel yet, or YouTube is still trying to understand the kind of people that love your content. So you need to be specific with this searchable type of content. And there is something else I noticed. Sometimes the way people spell things matters too. Like some viewers search how to grow on YouTube fast. Others type how to grow YouTube channel fast. That is the only thing that will make your channel to get discovered. Once you solve a particular problem for them, maybe how to create a YouTube thumbnail, how to create a YouTube channel, how to get more views, all those type of things, you will get that views. Those views are going to turn into subscribers. Okay, now the second thing I did was using my community tab to engage my audience. This one surprised me, honestly. Yes, I used to ignore my YouTube community tab when I started this channel. I thought that community tab, only big YouTubers use that. I didn't know that small YouTubers actually use that, and that was actually the big mistake I made. By the time I started posting on my community tab consistently, I noticed that people started recognizing my channel more. I was even getting views from my community posts down to my videos. And no, you don't need millions of subscribers for this. Sometimes I had upload simple things just like, what is your biggest struggle on YouTube right now? And the responses were sometimes crazy. Sometimes I'll have to make a poll on my YouTube channel, and again, anytime I upload a video, I'll go there and share it. People will start engaging more if you are being consistent, and they will still coming back to more of your video, and that is why they have been coming back to my videos. And I started understanding exactly what my audience wanted, which also helped me create better video ideas. And sometimes emotional happens too. I stopped feeling like I was posting videos into an empty room. It started feeling like an actual community, like I'm interacting with my audience, and that matters more than people realize, especially during those periods where your views suddenly slow down and you start doubting yourself again. Because trust me, every creator goes through that phase. Even creators that look successful right now, even the highest creators you have ever known on this YouTube. And for a quick little tips, sometimes I use my community posts to test video ideas before making the video. If you have been following me, if you are my subscriber, you will notice that this strategy that I'm implementing is true, legit, and real. If people react strongly to the post, there is a high chance that the video topic might perform well too. That saves a lot of wasted effort. So do not ignore your community posts, because that is another source YouTube has provided for us to use to get views, get subscriber from it. Do not. And here I'm going to give you a tips that you are going to use to be getting engagement on your community post. Now see what you are going to do. Go to big creators, go under their posts, check their posts, maybe the one that gets higher engagement, screenshot it and go to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to redefine that particular post, copy it and paste it on your own community tab. And maybe you can add pictures or something. Trust me, you are going to get likes, you are going to get comments, you are going to get your channel noticed. Okay, so the fourth thing I did was my video opening. Yes, it will be the one of the biggest reason small creators lose views fast. Weak intros. And I used to do this too when I started this channel, even on my previous channel. Okay, I have spent like 30 seconds introducing myself. Like I will be like, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, how are you guys? If this video interests you, please like. Whereas I'm not giving them the reason to like and subscribe to my channel. So I stopped making a slower and boring intro. The only thing I do is that once my video plays, once I start recording, I make sure I go straight to the point. I deliver my value fast. I don't say please subscribe to my channel at the beginning of my video. If you have been noticing it, I only say subscribe to my channel maybe at the end. It's always at the end of my video, and even at the middle sometimes. And the moment I started getting straight to this point, my audience retention improved immediately. Guys, look at this impression here. This is one of my viral video. Look at this one. Look at this. So this is how my impression was improving every single day. Sometimes I'll try to open video with a pain point, a relatable stories, a curiosity, or a direct promise. Sometimes that makes viewers think, wait, this person understand my problem. And sometimes you need to show them proof. Had it been someone told me this earlier on my first channel on this YouTube, people trust you with proof. So once they see that proof, that is the only thing that will make them to have a little confidence and a trust that this particular creator know what he or she is doing. Even if you're a big or small YouTuber, but more especially small YouTuber. Instead of boring intro, say something like, if your videos keep getting low views even after editing for hours, you might be making this one mistake YouTube never tells beginners. You see the difference of going straight to the point and a boring intro. Now, this will create an emotional curiosity and make that viewers to watch your video till the end. This is why most small YouTubers, they don't actually understand their retention. They don't even understand how their videos are performing. They don't even actually know what is working for them because they are doing random things. They are trying to do too many things at once. The only thing for you to survive is watch big creators, watch their video. Don't just watch their video for fun. Watch their video, study their title, their thumbnail, and everything, especially in this YouTube growth niche where everybody has already heard enough of fake gurus advice every day. So the next one I did, which is the last one, is what I told you that changed everything for me. This one changed how I viewed YouTube completely and how I stopped treating YouTube Studio like a decoration and started studying it properly, because your analytics literally tell you what your viewers are thinking, what they are searching at that moment, what they are going to search tomorrow. Yes, this is where most small creators only check their views and subscribers. You guys are not going to beat me, but I have to tell you the gospel truth. I have to tell you the brutal truth. Most small creators only go to their YouTube analytics to check their views and their subscriber. If their views are increasing and if their subscribers are increasing. But that is a big misuse of YouTube Studio. Yes, but ever since I started paying attention to my audience retention, my click-through rate, to know where my viewers live and which videos started getting me subscribers, which helped me realize, okay, I'm talking too much slowly here. So if you're a small creator, checking your views and subscriber should not only be the reason why you are going to YouTube Studio. Use it to know where you are talking too much. Use it to know how this particular video performed well. Yes, once you start actually studying all these things, you will actually know what is working for you. Now, the sixth thing I did was commenting on big creators. Now, this is the biggest strategy, especially for small creators. This one is underrated. Yes, I started watching bigger creators' videos in my needs, not just for entertainment, not just for fun, but to study their titles, their thumbnail, their pacing, their hooks, their audience retention, and sometimes I had leave a genuinely thoughtful comment early on their video. I don't spam my comments like the usual comments all these small creators used to say, sub to my channel. Please don't do that. So when I mean commenting a meaningful, thoughtful comment, I mean a real memorable comment. Sometimes funny, sometimes relatable, sometimes adding value, and occasionally people would actually click my channel out of curiosity, and it will make my channel to get discovered, and it will also make my impression to increase, especially when your comments stand out emotionally. And guess what? If your channel already looks clean with good videos, those clicks can turn into subscriber fast. Yes, I have noticed it several times and I don't ignore it. I keep doing it consistently. So small creators underestimate the attention. The attention is everything on YouTube. Once your channel, you are commenting, you are watching videos, you are liking video, YouTube will be collecting data and it will be showing your channel to other people for your channel to get noticed. So do not underestimate this strategy, because this is the main strategy that changed everything. This is the only strategy that helped this channel to get subscribers from 200 to over 1000 subscribers. Okay, so if you are trying to grow on YouTube and you want to get your subscriber, follow this strategy. learn to understand your viewers, learn to study your analytics, learn to comment on people's video, because actually that is what will actually help your channel to get discovered out there. Okay, so if this video helped you or it opened your eyes a little, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and always turn on your notification so that you get notified each time I upload videos like this. And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Dara. I'm a YouTube strategist. I help small and new YouTubers to grow on their channel and get monetized. Okay, so thank you for watching to the end of this video, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye.